Hello my friends, your buddy Phil here. We're in our Microlearning for PMP. This is what I've designed to help those of you who are sweating it out. Hey, there's no need to go crazy on the ITTOs and the processes. I'm going to break it down for you in roughly 5 minutes. But don't forget to smash the like button. Show your buddy Phil you appreciate this. Hey, first thing you do in quality, number one, you plan quality management. The question is, how are we going to manage quality on this project? This is where you identify the quality standards that you need to adhere to. Someone says, Phil, what are quality standards? Well, quality standards are certain valued objectives from a quality perspective that you need to adhere to. Sometimes they could be compliance related. I'll give you some examples. For those in the world of construction, engineering, you work on a job site, on a work site, there are some quality standards you need to adhere to. They are regulatory as well. In America, this is known as OSHA, O-S-H-A, Occupational Safety Health Administration. This is important because if you're working on a site with a lot of movement, machines, and so on, and you get hurt, if the company is found to be in violation, the ramifications could be very bad. In addition to things like OSHA, we have HIPAA, which is more in the world of health. It's a Healthcare Act. In the world of finance, we have PCI compliance. In the world of diversity and inclusion, we have Americans with Disability Act. And websites should be in compliance. And really depends on the industry you're working on, but quality could be very far-reaching. To help you understand quality, I define it as 4 things. Quality is fitness for use, conformance to requirements, customer satisfaction, and Kaizen. Fitness for use, conformance to requirements, customer satisfaction, and Kaizen. When you put these all together, you can put quality in its proper perspective. Because if the customer isn't happy, quality hasn't been achieved. 3 things in quality. Number 1, plan quality management. Number 2, manage quality. Number 3, control quality. Plan quality management is deciding on the quality standards to adhere to. What are they? Identify them with the team. Make sure they're put on paper, documented so everyone knows, and then you plan how you're going to meet those quality standards. Number 2, manage quality. This involves checking the process to ensure that the work is being done right. The deliverable is not created yet, you're just checking the work process. Manage quality is the same as quality assurance. It's checking the process. On the flip side, control quality is checking the product. This is where the process has been carried out. Now you have a product. Check the product, inspect it, ensure that it meets quality standards before sending it over to the customer in validate scope, which we've talked about. But that's the cycle of life. You execute the work. As you're executing the work, you are checking the process through managed quality. Eventually, you're going to get to executing the work in control quality. Eventually, you're going to check the deliverable before it goes to the customer. Then the customer checks the deliverable in the validate scope process. I hope this makes sense. It's rather dynamic. You slow it down and think about it, it's all going to make sense. I hope you found this useful. Go on down to hpmexam.com and tinyurl.com/elitepmp to learn more. Bye for now.